Well, California lawmakers are working to bring home insurance rates down. It all comes as we face more extreme weather events.
ABC 10 State Matters political reporter Jenny Hubb breaks down the new piece of legislation.
It's a conversation about passing that financial burden from Californians to big corporations that these advocates say are driving and have been driving the climate change crisis.
Californians should not have to continue to pay the full cost of climate-driven disasters, given the role that fossil fuel corporations have played in getting us here.
Thursday morning, Democratic State Senator Scott Wiener, alongside advocates and survivors of disasters, including the Altadena fire and the historic 2024 San Diego floods, pushed for SB 982, the Affordable Insurance and Recovery Act.
We have to ask, who is not paying?
Ratepayers are paying, insurance companies are paying, the government is paying. The only group not paying is big oil.
And so Wiener's bill seeks to make large oil and gas companies pay for climate-fueled disasters, essentially by recouping costs on behalf of insurance companies and homeowners. Advocates say even the FAIR plan, California's insurer of last resort for homeowners who can't get private coverage, is underwater and seeking major premium increases.
Insurance companies are leaving the state because of the cost of recovery here after a disaster is too great and doesn't pencil out for them.
California's Attorney General would sue those companies on behalf of victims.
Some of the big players, of course, are like Shell and Chevron and Exxon, but it's really any company that meets those size threshold.
Threshold of a revenue of at least $500 million over the past 3 years and was or is involved in the fossil fuel industry in California.
My house was completely submerged. My car floated away. I had to carry my pit bull out. The water was up to my waist. Since insurance was not enough, I'm in debt.
But opponents like Republican Assemblymember Carl DeMaio says Wiener's approach is misguided and would raise the price at the pump.
Who's going to pay for that? Yep, you got it. Me and you, the ratepayers, drivers on the road. The state gets a massive excise tax on every insurance policy.
DeMaio also says not charging that special state tax on insurance premiums, which contributes to overall state revenue, would be an option. The bill is headed to its first committee hearing in the coming weeks. At the state capitol, Jenny Hubb, ABC 10.